It's time to take a new look at 3D printing. It's time to take a look at Obsidian. Obsidian is the first 3D printer of its kind. Its blend of style and performance, never seen before in the industry. Obsidian offers the reliability and print quality of machines 10 times its price. And all of this with a breathtaking design. Choose from a palette of colors and materials as unlimited as your ideas. Bring 3D printing into your creative process for the first time. Obsidian is a tool that brings your ideas into reality. Obsidian makes printing high-quality 3D models effortless. Our optimized user interface guides you. Just tap and print. Choose any major software to design your models, whether on your computer or in virtual reality. But you don't need to be a designer to get started. Thousands of creatives from around the world are sharing their models online for free. 3D printing is a movement. Join it. Obsidian's app lets you control your printer from anywhere. Keep an eye on your prints and adjust them even on the go. Obsidian's camera is made not only for live streaming, but also for time-lapse recording, so you can share your favorite prints on social media. Show friends your creations in motion. We think there is only one step between imagination and reality. Between holding an idea in your mind and seeing it materialize before your eyes. And we call this step Obsidian.
.3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button, and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects, or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, And we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us and let's start creating.
So this started about a year ago, where we had to measure the contours of an organic surface. Turns out that's a very hard problem. The only available solution cost $20,000, and that's ridiculous. So we set out to build our own. We looked at what was available out there at the intersection of computer vision and surface measurement, and we couldn't find a single solution that was compelling. The 3D scanners that were precise cost tens of thousands of dollars, and the ones that were affordable weren't precise at all. Today, that changes. So we've invented the Eora 3D scanner, the world's first high-precision 3D scanner that is purpose-built for a modern smartphone. We're only just beginning to explore the possibilities of capturing the world in 3D. 3D printing is an amazing tool. It converts a digital file into a physical object. Some call it an industrial revolution. The Eora 3D scanner does the exact opposite of a 3D printer. It lets artists, makers and designers capture objects and surfaces and turn them into high-quality 3D models and use them as part of the creative process.
We knew we had to use a smartphone. Modern phones are simply amazing. The Eora 3D scanner is powered entirely by your smartphone. Using it is easy. Just open the app and press scan. It'll automatically adjust focus and exposure and drive a green laser to scan your object. As it sweeps, we take over 1,000 photos and analyze them in real time to give you a 3D model. A typical scan takes 3 to 5 minutes and gives you a full color mesh with up to 8 million points. With a range of 1 meter, you can capture objects big and small. Accurate to less than 100 microns, that's the thickness of a single sheet of paper. When engineering the scanner, we had one objective in mind: precision. All that's possible thanks to a design that's both beautiful and functional. Machined from a solid block of aluminium with over 35 milling operations, we've designed it to be both robust and precise. The light ring gives you quick visual feedback, and the adjustable mount lets you secure any modern smartphone. The green laser lets you scan in any lighting conditions, as most cameras are twice as sensitive to green than any other color. For watertight models, we also designed a Bluetooth turntable. It'll sync to your scanner and rotate your object to make sure you get every angle.
We've meticulously designed every aspect of the hardware, and we've tested 7 different prototypes. We've put together a great team, and we've lined up several manufacturers. Now, we need you and the Kickstarter community to help us put this together.
We are creators. We are born to create. As inventors, we constantly use machines to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we use fell short of our expectation. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. So we came up with a simple solution: all-in-one, all-metal 3D system. Not only a 3D printer, a laser engraver, a CNC carving and plotter, and this is the Mag Creator, iCreatum. The Mag Creators creates you anything you want, because our inventions and prototype cannot every time be realized by only 3D printer. So we integrated a laser engraver and a CNC carving modules and plotter that can let you use any pen you want. A full factory on your desktop. We chose the Delta robot design because they can be quick fast, incredibly precise, and reliable like it should be a 3D printer. With simple shift in design, all the problems that came from traditional Cartesian system disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Mag set new standard of 3D system machines. And it doesn't stop at all-in-one creator machine. Mag auto safety shut off, and incredibly large build volume, up to 270 mm in diameter and 300 mm in height. Automatic bed leveling, you don't need to manually calibrate the machine ever. Just start to print when you want. Open source software means it's expandable for makers. With Mag, we have not set only new standard for design, but for price too. Mag starts at $99. Yes, start at $99. That's the beauty of our design. We could set the price higher, but we want everybody have a Mac creator. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing and laser cutting and CNC machines to create Mac. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today and let us find out what you were born to create.